Alright, welcome back, guys. This is another CodeChef challenge, still stuck in beginner stuff. We're gonna do sum of digits today. So here's the prompt, and I'm just gonna leave it here for like another second so you know for sure you got the right one. You use the problem code flow006, and here it is, copied and pasted in here. Okay, so how do we start? First, we're gonna start by making input, and we do that like so. How many test cases? If I make a few mistakes while I'm typing, please forgive. It's been a while since I've done Python. Been doing a lot of C# lately, so I might end up writing a semicolon at the end every now and then. Can't seem to spell number of cases. So this part is to control the limitation, the constraints that they're giving. And I've just remembered that Python is indent, not curly brackets. So okay, so we're making sure that the input has some constraints as they asked for, and we're going to ask for input again in case it does not, the first answer or first input doesn't fall within the constraints. Let's just go back here real quick and add a question mark. And the code will be on GitHub. There will be a link for it in case you can't read anything that's being typed right here. Num of cases. Right? Alright, so now we're going to go through every item that's in there. Set of number. Use raw input so you don't need to worry about the value types in case there is any issues with that. Let's set it up. And last but not least, we're going to use some map it. If you don't know map, I'm going to leave a link that will explain this because it'll do a much better job explaining anything than I can do. Okay, so let's run this thing. We'll do 2 test cases to keep it simple. Never mind, we're not going to do anything. Type error, not supported between instances of string and int. Now, why might that be? So what it's trying to say is that number of cases is a string, and you can't compare that to be greater or less than a number, or int rather. So this input's being read as a string, and it's been a while since I've done Python. I haven't done it since what, three years ago or something like that. So let's see here. I think you can do a type conversion here, and it should make the input. No, it didn't. Yes, it did. Okay, so you have a new error. What was that again? Let me run that through real quick. If it would decide to run. Okay, so it is 3.6. That's good to know. Let's see what's up. Name error. Raw input is not defined. Okay. I could have sworn that raw input was valid back when I did 2.7. We'll just try regular input, and if that doesn't work, we'll have to see what else we can do. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. Nice. So it works. 8, 9, 17. Awesome. So there you have it. So the explanation for maps will be linked inside the description, as well as a project link for this actual thing, this program that we actually just wrote will also be linked up in GitHub. Yeah, and other than that, I guess the idea really is to make some simple programming examples for early programmers, because I'm still pretty fresh into it, so hopefully my simpler programming methods will be more relatable to newer minds that have just been introduced to programming. Anyways, stick around for more videos. As I go down the road, I'm probably going to make more complex and more practical tutorials and guides, such things as like, I'm thinking for the next video, making a program that will allow you to make SQL connections using C# and whatnot, and things that you could use in real life. So anyways, thanks for watching. Stick around, like the video if it was helpful, and best of luck.